Hetalada, 20 years old, si Macapobre. 19 naman si Getalada mula sa Cebu City. Pareho from Cebu City. Mga baguhan sa larangan ng pro boxing. Pro debut.
Oo.
Diba? Ng dalawang boxer.
Buena mano.
Oy,
Malalaman
kaya
natin
pala
ngayon.
nakita ko sila sa locker room. Medyo nervyos. Okay, we'll go to our ring announcer to introduce the fighters.
Maayong kami Sugbo! Are you ready for some knockouts tonight? We welcome you to Mabolo, right here at IEC, International Eucharistic Convention, here in the city of Cebu, the country's heart of boxing. Our main event of the evening is 12 rounds of professional boxing for the WBO Intercontinental Featherweight Championship. Magsayo of the Philippines versus Diaz of Nicaragua. All bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusement Board of the Philippines. Our supervisors, Glenn Ahena, Rolando Mendoza, Celso Miranda. Our physician ringside, Dr. Jose Onavia. Our timekeepers, Larry Balanay and Cipriano Gonzalez. Your ring announcers, Sandy Grumo, and yours truly, John Maga. And now, the wait is over. Ala Promotions, together with ABS-CBN Sports and Action, live right here in the city of Cebu. This is where we stand. This is where we fight. This is Pinoy Pride 41! New Generation Warriors. And on we go for the first bout of the evening. Introducing first in the blue corner, weighing 113 pounds. He's wearing the orange trunks. Ladies and gentlemen, from Carmen, Cebu, this is Roland Hitalada. And in the red corner, wearing black trunks, weighing 112 pounds. He hails from Toledo City. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gino Macapobre. Our judges for the bout are Nel Pachon, Noel Flores, and Edwin Barrientos. Our referee, Nick Banal. 4 rounds of boxing.
Fighter. Macapobre. Getalada. Okay. 4 rounds sa tunduaan, ha? Foul, headbutt, ha? No low blows. Why sumbag sa layo? Okay? Sabot? Take yourself at all times. So, touch gloves. Good luck.
So parehong taga Cebu ang ating mga fighter na ngayon. In black trunks, si Gino Macapobre na unang-unang laban sa professional boxing. At ang kalaban niya si Hetalaga from Cebu. 4th fight, but he's 0-3.
Winless pa.
4 rounds ang laban natin dito sa flyweight division, 112 pounds.
Macapobre in the black trunks. Ito ang kanyang unang laban. Ito namang si Hetalada. Naghahanap naman ng unang panalo after 3 losses to start his career.
Macapobre, very wide ang kanyang stance.
Oo.
Habang maabante, pumipili ng timing.
Stop.
Pero maganda
Mukha
ang
silang
forma.
batang-bata.
Oo. This is where it all starts. Ano? At sabi nga nila
Nice snappy punching mula kay Macapobre. Magandang forma niya, no?
hindi mo akalain na unang professional fight pa lang niya. Airtight yung kanyang depensa.
Magandang build, covering up, trying to counter. Moving forward si Macapobre.
At he's the one doing the pressuring, the newcomer. Itong si Macapobre. Oh, good left. Good left.
Yan, sinusubukan niya sundan ang malakas na kaliwa. Still hunting faster hands definitely itong si Macapobre, no?
Oo, mas may laman yung mga suntok
Oo.
niya. Dayan, nakita mo in particular
Oo.
yung left hook na yun, ha?
Yes.
Napapatras si Hetalada.
Paatras habang sinusubukan makasuntok. You can see medyo tentative natin si Hetalada.
Oo.
Medyo mukhang takot sa mga suntok ni Macapobre.
Puro left hook si Macapobre. And good
Body
shots,
shots,
body.
right, left.
Good shots.
Sinubukan makakounter ni Hetalada. In orange, left, right.
Very wide
Another
yung mga
one.
suntok ni Hetalada.
Tsaka
Maluwag.
wala hindi madiin.
Walang snap.
Mhm.
Unlike
Oo,
itong kay
diba?
Macapobre. Oo.
Well, he gets through those 2 punches sa ulo, pero not that much. Oh, wow, he walked right into that punch.
Good exchange. Good left by
Left.
Hetalada. Ayun, nung nakita mo yung suntok na, he's winging his shots. Malayo pinanggagalingan ng mga suntok ni Hetalada.
Dumarami
Wide.
ang mga suntok ng dalawang boxer dito sa pagtapos ng round 1. We have 20 seconds left.
Action, ha?
si-
Action yung opening round.
Yeah.
Maganda palitan na suntok.
Lumalaban si Hetalada, but he's just like slapping his punches, no?
Yun ang medyo
Not really solid.
mas maliin yung
10 seconds, 10
Another left
seconds.
hook. Good, Flori.
Wow. All
Good
out
shots.
si
Good
Macapobre. Bakbakan
Stop,
agad sa
stop.
first round.
Balik.
Good action. Action from round 1. Tingnan natin. That was the exchange, Medyo uminit yung palitan ng suntok dito.
Maganda
sa-
palitan, ha?
Second
Good
round,
left
ready.
yun. Staple shot ni Macapobre. Yung left hook na yun. Now he's
To the
digging to the
body
body.
Okay.
Aliw niya. Stop.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa IEC Convention Center. Unang beses ko dito. Magandang ambiance,
Ganda.
bagong venue.
Meron tayong bagong venue pag dito lumalaban sa Cebu, ano?
Second round.
4-round action sa flyweight division.
Yes, around 112 pounds.
Cebu versus Cebu. Si Macapobre naka-black at si Hetalada naka-orange.
Maganda ang palitan. Yung opening round, we gave it to Macapobre. Pero Hetalada, talagang with some solid shots.
Lumalaban si Hetalada. Left counter hook pa rin ang malakas kay kay Macapobre.
Nahuhuli
Good
lang
exchange.
Si Macapobre coming in, eh.
Hatawan.
Oh my God.
Uy, natatamaan rin si
Oo.
si Macapobre. Yung
Macapobre
mukha niya,
is-
pulang-pula na.
Nahuhuli siya coming inside. Good
Yeah.
uppercut by Hetalada.
Oh, good uppercut there. Oh. Left, right.
Pati na matibay ito.
Ulo, bantay ulo.
Parehong bata,
Oo.
19 and 20 years old.
Very, very young.
Sumasabak na sa napakasakit na sport na pro boxing.
Mahirap.
Ayun, yan.
Boxing, oh. At ito ang unang Johnny para kay Macapobre. Alam mo, may mga boksingero, I remember sina Bernard Hopkins, they lost their first fight, but they went on to become legends in boxing. So, it all starts with your first pro fight.
Has to start somewhere.
Oo.
Round 2 pa lang tayo dito. Macapobre versus Hetalada. Uy, run into that shot. Oh, he's getting tagged, Sa
Oo.
yung...
This is a good round for Hetalada.
Yeah, pasok siya ng pasok si Macapobre. And then this round, nakaka-timing si Hetalada. You can see the difference in their faces, no?
Oo. And right now, ito naman, naghihilig si Macapobre.
Oh.
Alam mo, Macapobre might want to attack the body. Mukhang napapagod na si Hetalada, eh.
Tsaka, mukhang medyo soft na, no?
Yun, sa bodega.
Sa core, yeah, oo.
Yes.
Ito naman si Macapobre, napakaganda ng built. Very well formed ang kanya mga muscle. Shoulders, balikat.
Oo. You look at his stance, ito talagang pang-deliver ng left hook, eh.
Aray.
Oh,
Naku.
good shot.
Ah, nice body shot.
Maganda rin yung timing ng counters ni Hetalada eh.
Good exchange.
Okay, box.
So far so good. You have a good fight. Opening fight natin dito sa Pinoy Pride 41.
Naku, 8 ang ating
Oo.
fight ngayon. Kami ni Attorney Ed, kailangan rin namin ng stamina, no? Lalaban rin kami.
Of course, ang climax natin dyan eh. Yung Mark Magsayo. Defending his WBO International. Oh, good shot again by Hetalada. Hetalada is landing some good shot.
Good action dito sa close ng round 2.
End of second round. We'd like to thank our sponsors, SM City Cebu, Robinson's Gallery Cebu, Alabama Fitness Gym, Montesol, Island Premium Paints, St. Mark's Hotel, Roger Park Hotel, Golden Prince Hotel and Suites, Radisson Blue, and Y101.
Okay, tignan natin ang palio. Nice left hook there mula kay Hetalaba.
Maganda mga
Oh, sumagot
counters
naman.
eh. Pero may hook eh, oh.
Oh, may hook din siya, pero na-block ang left. Salpukan.
Good exchanges. Good right hand by Hetalada. A good left jab.
Pumasok rin yung left, ano? So far, sa corner, we can see talagang winded ito si Mata Pobre. Kasi high energy siya.
Oo, medyo high octane yung umenta niya. First round pa lang.
Tignan natin ang stamina ng dalawang fighter. 4 rounds lang naman to. Pero alam mo, sa boxing, pag yung 3 minutes, kung suntok ka ng suntok, nakakapagod talaga, no?
At saka baguhan pa lamang itong mga
Yes.
ito. So, siyempre, yung stamina nila eh, questionable pa.
Good
Right now, an
exchange.
even fight. First round, Macapobre. Second round, Hetalada. Oh, good body shots by Macapobre.
Nice. Left and right hook from both fighters. Yeah, I feel like yung mga suntok ni Mata Pobre are the stronger blows.
Yes.
But lumalaban pa rin si Hetalada.
Maganda kasi yung stance ni Macapobre. He's able to really plant his feet, deliver that hook with power.
Hetalada blocking, moving back.
Oh, landing some good shots. Hetalada, I think he's tired.
Yep.
He's just covering up. Oh, good shot.
Walang sagot si Hetalada.
Oh, the body shot did it.
Oh, that
Almost
was
did it.
painful.
And he's in pain.
Yep. Fighting now with heart. Hetalada from Cebu City.
But he's fighting back. He's fighting back.
0-0. Nice. 0-3 ang record ni Hetalada.
Oh.
Todo hataw na to si Macapobre.
Macapobre should zero in on the body.
Yeah,
Kanina, muntik
as
na
you were
tumigtop
saying,
eh.
no?
Muntik na tumigtop. Medyo manipis yung budege. Good
Oh,
uppercut.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sunod-sunod. Expending a lot of energy si Mata Pobre. Trying to finish off his opponent.
Right to the body. Pero may left hook naman si Hetalada. Ay, bater ang matibay ito, Dayan.
Oo, pero slapping pa rin ang punch ni Hetalada.
Saka yung mga suntok na nagagaling sa labas eh.
Yeah.
It's coming from the outside.
Crowd enjoying the action here from 2 flyweights.
Yes.
Diba? Yung maganda sa
Oo,
mga
maganda.
lightweights. Maraming suntok. Matapang.
Giving
Left,
it
right.
their all.
Whoa! Oy! Got tagged with a right. Oy!
Oh boy.
Dalawa. Oy! Medyo lumalaban si Hetalada.
Hetalada, ayaw
Diba?
kumayaw.
Oh,
Still showing na
kahit
meron pa
pagod
siya.
na pagod na. Oh.
No giving up for Hetalada.
Round 3 na to. Still a lot of time. 40 seconds.
Oh,
Mahigit.
good uppercut. Good uppercut.
Oh, punching bag. Pa-practice. Ah, right. Nakapasok. Whew.
What a fight. What an opening.
Oo. Nararamdaman ko ang pagod ng dalawang fighter. Diba?
Oo, eh, ganito ang pacing nila. First round pa lang. Ha? Ganito na. Sino kaya ang unang bibigay stamina-wise? We thought Hetalada was gonna collapse with that body punch, pero inabandon eh ni Macapobre. He went headhunting.
Oh, pagod na si Hetalada ulit. Winded dito, trying to survive this third round
Right to
with
the body.
10 seconds left. Ooh.
Oh, good shot by
Oh!
Macapobre. Right right
Nice,
hand.
right straight.
Good
Ay, ay,
shot.
ay.
But look at
Naku, ang
Hetalada.
dami nun.
Stop. Okay.
And a third round.
Wow. Bravo sa mga boxer, oh.
News, the Greenman, Global Image Outdoor Advertising, Seal Art Billboard Cebu, the Social Cebu, the Social Seaside Salon Bar and Grill, Art
Last round na, last round. Okay ba? Kaya ba? Ha?
Whoa, this is the action from round 3. Left, right mula kay Mata Pobre. Body shot, left hook.
Ganda na atake ni mga pobre.
Oh, yan.
I thought he had
Sunod-sunod.
it.
1,
Pero yung
2,
Hetalada
3,
lumalaban
4.
eh. Ito naman discarding Hetalada, oh. Oh,
Kahit pasampa lang mga suntok niya. Ito ang ating mga boxing fans mula dito sa Cebu. Enjoying another Pinoy Pride series. Alright. Mainit kaagad ang dalawang boxers for 4th round.
this is a close fight. Maka Pobre looking to close dito sa 4th round. Nasa kanya ang momento, but Hetalada may mga paunti-unti pa rin counter. But he looks gas, si Hetalada, during the break. Good shot to the body by Maka Pobre. Love with left hook.
Last 3 minutes of the fight. Oh, nice
Hetalada.
fight from nakapasok ang left hook.
Ganda,
Sakit nun.
ganda.
Oh, wobbly na si Hetalada.
Oh, here goes
Moving
Maka
back.
Pobre.
Medyo todo hataw na si Mata Pobre. Last 2 minutes. Last round na rin. First fight ni Mata Pobre in black. 4th fight for Hetalada, pero wala pa siyang panalo.
Oo, Maka Pobre looking for his buena manong panalo. Ha? Yan ang hinahanap ni Maka Pobre. The opening salvo ng kanyang boxing career. So far, Maka Pobre mukhang makakakuha ng panalo. Oh, good shots to the head by Maka Pobre.
Maka Pobre in black, hoping for his first win dito sa pro boxing.
Right now, he's just battering Hetalada. Patibay din yung Hetalada. Ang dami niya sa nalusuntok.
Kala ko bibigay na
Oh,
siya.
munti pa ng kanan.
Corner of Hetalada. Oh!
Ooh.
Screaming out. Ngayon, huling hirit. Oh, laban.
Mukhang kuha na ni
Solid
Maka
pa rin.
Pobre ang labang ito. Play it safe na lang. Don't get careless because Hetalada is still trying to make a go for it.
Every ounce of strength.
Oh.
25 seconds sa fight.
Play safe na. Oh, good shots to the head by Maka Pobre. Uppercut. Wala na, swinging for the fence si Hetalada.
Oof.
Good opening scrap.
10
Wow, with the
seconds,
left,
10
Maka
seconds.
Pobre.
Last.
Ito na, countdown na tayo sa laban. Hetalada trying to make a go for it. Oh, that's the end of the fight. Good one. A good way to start. Pinoy Pride 41.
Enjoy naman ang mga fans, no? That was really good action for first fight. Yan si Hetalada and Maka Pobre. Both from Cebu. Si Maka Pobre from Toledo. Unang fight, hoping for his first win here. Tignan natin.
Yes.
Sa tingin natin,
Tingin ko, kuha na eh.
yeah.
I thought he won 3 out of the 4 rounds.
Oh, pero hindi natin alam, di ba, yung mga judge, kung anong tingin nila.
Anything can still happen. Siyempre,
Oh,
yung mga
solid
hurado
left.
pa rin. Ito yung rest back ni Hetalada. Good left hook. Huling-huli si Hetalada. Shots to the head by Maka Pobre. Ayun, ang ganda na. Ito yung mga finishing floor ni Hetalada sa pagtatapos ng round. Humahabol siyang bigla eh. Good opening fight. So go to the scorecard. Tignan natin. Macapobre looking for his first victory. Hetalada ganun din after 3 fights wherein he lost his first 3 bouts. And we are just waiting for the official decision, mga judges. Mukhang nahihirapan pa mag-compute ang mga judges. Ito na. Macapobre versus Hetalada. Flyweights. First pro appearance for Macapobre, the fighter on the left. At ito na ang ating ring announcer to officially proclaim the winner.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just witnessed 4 rounds of boxing in the flyweight division. Let's go to the results. Judge Arnel Pachon scores the bout 39-37 for Macapobre. Judge Noel Flores scores the bout at 38-38, a draw. Judge Edwin Barrientos scores the bout 39-38. Your winner via majority decision, Gino Macapobre.
Big smile on the face of Gino Macapobre. Ang kanyang unang tagumpay sa boxing.
Yes.
Siyempre, maalala niya ito.
Oo, majority decision.
It was close,
win.
ha?
Oh, may isang judge na tabla. But the win is a
Closer
win.
than what we expected. Magbabalik po ang Pinoy Pride 41.